Hi class, I just wanted to take a moment to go over the different types of toxins with you. So the first one I want to talk about are the exotoxins. So don't let exotoxins fool you. The toxins are actually inside the bacteria, and they come in three types: neurotoxins, cytotoxins, and enterotoxins. An exotoxin-based bacteria can be gram-positive or gram-negative. It doesn't make a difference. All right, and I put in here also, so if you're gram-positive, you could potentially have an endospore as well. So those are some really, really strong bacteria if they have an exotoxin, which is an incredibly powerful toxin, combined with an endospore. So let's say an antibiotic is given, all right, and it starts to break down the bacteria cell wall. What's going to happen is these exotoxins are going to leave the bacteria and come through. This is the exo part. They're exiting, okay? So now you have toxin circulating in the host. Now, if that's a human, this is going to be a very dangerous situation, especially if you're talking about things like neurotoxins. Diseases such as the Clostridiums, tetanus, botulism have very potent exotoxins which can potentially kill. Now, over on the flip side, we have what are called the endotoxins. So the endotoxins are typically found in gram-negatives. And what they are is I signified them with the N for the endotoxin. The endotoxins are part of the lipopolysaccharides. So they are embedded directly into the lipopolysaccharide. All right, so if an antibiotic is given, then what's going to happen is you're going to have the cell walls trying to be broken down by the antibiotic, but the endotoxin is part of that cell wall. Okay, so it's not an additional release of toxins that end up entering the body. Again, these are going to be gram-negative bacteria, so your gram-negatives will have endotoxins. Not all endotoxins are the strongest things out there. Okay, but if they get into the blood or a place where they're not supposed to be, that can be a very dangerous situation. And right here what we have would be, what if you have a gram-negative? All right, you know that they're going to have endotoxins automatically. But they can also have exotoxins. So I represented them, the N's for the endotoxins, the X for the exotoxins. So this is a pretty powerful gram-negative. Okay. Over here, I had showed you a very powerful gram-positive because the gram-positive had the endospore as well as the exotoxin. Remember, only two genus that we're going to talk about are medically relevant with endospores. You have the Bacillus genus and the Clostridium genus. No other medically relevant genus out there with regards to that. So those are your exotoxins, your endotoxins, and then again, a gram-negative could potentially have both. A gram-positive is only going to be able to have an exotoxin. It cannot have an endotoxin because it does not have a lipopolysaccharide. So I hope that clarifies the toxins for you.